What's up, you guys? It's your boy Dexter, and I am back at it again. Today we are going to do a coloring service. We're going to add some highlights to this bad boy and sauce her up really nice. I'm going to go in with a 30 volume developer, and we're going to see what that does, and then that's going to determine what we do moving forward. This is the color that it turned. We were going for like a goldish type of highlight, and this is how she lifted. She lifted very warm. It was very warm overall, but there was a lot of brass at the roots, and that didn't sit well with me. You know what I'm saying? So I had to definitely try and figure out how I was gonna troubleshoot that. And so I went in with shades of Q, 9 in B, a 9V, and a 9 in A. And hopefully that combination will try to, neutralize the color and some of that brass, which it did to a certain extent, but it still wasn't enough. And so we wanted to leave some of that natural color in there and try to see if we could just do the highlights without adding anything else. But I was like, after blow drying it, I'm like, nah, bruh, we not doing that, bruh, we can't. You know what I mean? Like, you see that? Do you guys see that brass at the roots? And she was like, oh my God, it lifted really nice and all of that, whoop-de-whoop. And I'm like, yeah, bruh, I understand. Yeah, you lifted really nice, but I was like, nah, bruh, no. And as you guys can see, she did lift very well, but there's a lot of banding, a lot of harsh lines. The contrast was off. I mean, I was like, yo, like, you're not about to walk out of the salon looking like this. Are you crazy? And she's like, I thought it looked. I'm like, no, you don't see the back of your head. And so I decided to go and I found some 6, like a chocolate brown. It was from Ikora, and I think that's from Schwarzkopf, which I hate that name because I can barely say it. But we put that on the roots to kind of like fade some of those lines out, try to blend everything in very nicely. And I'll let you guys watch, and I will be back in a second. Wait. Hold on. What's happening? Look. J- get. I'll be. What? That's. I just don't know. I don't know. Like, it's just. Yeah, y'all keep watching. I'm gonna go. But. Alright. Wait. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I'm gonna. I was shook. I was very disheveled. But I went in and I went ahead and got rid of those ends that needed to come off and added a little bit of layering towards the end. I didn't want to do too many layers around the face or whatever. She wanted to. Well, crap. I don't know what. I'm just so baffled by how amazing this looks. There's definitely a couple flaws in there, but hey, you live and you learn. You know what I'm saying? And color is a very serious thing that I'm trying to perfect, and so you guys don't be too hard on me. But yeah, holy smokes, you guys are gonna see something in a second. You're gonna see something in a second. Hold on. Yo, watch this. Uh, you, I'm done. Yo, look at that. I could, I really, I don't know. I, I just don't know what to do. This is too beautiful. Watch this right here now. Look. Watch it right here now. Hold on. This is what, I'm done. I'm leaving. I don't want anything else to do with this. Make sure you guys follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, Dexterthestylist, because I'm done. I'm out. I mean, it's marvelous. What can you do? Yeah, yeah. Bye. I'm out. Bye.